Right over here, Saoirse. Down here, Saoirse. Over here. Come back. One over here, please.
Saoirse, pretend it's your first.
Up here, Saoirse.
Saoirse, would you just point it and again be like that, please?
Up here, just here, Saoirse.
Does Dad want to get in the picture?
Yes, he will.
Oh, definitely.
I think it always changes because you're being nominated for different characters that you've played. So I think the relationship that you have with the character will determine how excited you are or how special it is for you. And this award in particular is very special for me, not only because it's from the Irish Academy, but also because it's from a film that I really loved working in. So.
What was it in particular that you loved working on? Because I know film sets can be very like they're very technical a lot of the time, and yet so actually doing the parts, and I know Peter Jackson works in different ways. So what was it about playing this?
Well, I think film sets, they are very technical, but they're also very well balanced with most of the time a fantastic atmosphere from the people around you and the people that you're working with. And on The Lovely Bones, we were very lucky that I was very lucky that I had someone like Pete to lead the way for us all, and him being so calm all the time and in control, but at the same time open to collaboration. I mean, he's a big believer in collaboration, and that's what filmmaking is, and that's wonderful, and that's very apparent when you work with him. You don't feel inferior at all. So it was amazing. It was an amazing experience.